dito sa aming movie, Bagong Dugo. Directed by Valentin at Joel Bascon and marami pong iba. Panoorin niyo po itong movie na ito. First hand action na ginawa namin. Alam niyo naman po, wala na po yung aming mga baligang mahal na mga action star, Rudy Fernandez, Ace Berhel, FPJ. So ito po ang pagbabalik ng action movies sa Pilipinas. So please, June 18 po, panoorin po natin all over cinema and nationwide. Bagong Dugo, starring Joy Bascon at marami pong iba, Alvin Hanson, and we'll see you there. Don't forget, thank you very much and God bless.